On this episode of Casting and Cooking, we are making chicken lollipops. Can I get a drum roll, please? Hello and welcome back. As you can see, we already got started on our chicken lollipops. We have two already cleaned up here. I'm going to show you how to get them cleaned up in just a second. So we'll set those aside. So here's what you want to do. You take your chicken drumstick here. You're going to go ahead just below where all the chicken's built up the leg. You're going to take your knife. You're going to clean it around. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife. You're going to go through. You want to make sure you're cutting all the way through to the bone. Go all the way around. Punch it all the way through. You don't want to go slide that down. Then if you grab yourself a paper towel and grab on right here, pull tight, you can try to slide that over. Sometimes you can get that right off the end. There you go. Then if you take a little paring knife, you might have to do a little cleanup. Just like that. Sometimes they'll sit flat. They don't sit flat. Take your knife. Trim that so it sits flat. And there you go. There's your chicken lollipop. Stay tuned, we'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to get the rest of these trimmed up and I'll show you how to sauce these up and we're going to get them on the grill. Okay, so we got our chicken lollipops all cleaned up. They're ready to get sauced up, and then we're going to get these babies on the grill. Two different sauces today. First one's going to be Stubbs original barbecue sauce, and to that we're going to add the Rufus Tagu spice rub and a little bit of honey. I already got that mixed up here in this red Solo cup. Next sauce we're going to add is this Sausage and Such by Ryan Peach Pit Habanero barbecue sauce. And we're going to mix that with this 12-finger dry rub, which has mesquite, roasted garlic, brown sugar, crushed red pepper, white sugar, lemon pepper, rosemary, chili powder, cayenne salt, cumin, onion powder, and zing. And we're going to add a little bit of honey to both of those, which will give these a nice gloss. And then I'm going to do a couple with just this 12-finger dry rub. I'm going to show you right now how we're going to coat these. So we're going to go ahead, we just dunk these in the cup here, like this. You give them a nice coating. Set these on our pan here. Get these nice and glossy. Okay, we got our Twin Oaks fired up to 300. We're getting to get these on the pellet smoker. Right, we got everything lined up on the grill. We're going to let these cook for about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. So we've been cooking for about 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and coat these. So just dip them in our cup. Another coating. Okay, we got about 20 minutes left. We're going for our final coating. Okay, so these are done. We're going to go ahead and pull them off the pellet smoker. And we'll be back with you in just a minute. I'm going to plate these up and we'll show you the finished product. We're back in the kitchen here. We just finished up plating. We got one that doesn't seem to want to stand that good. There we go. See if I can get these to stand while I'm holding it here. This is how they should look. This is the finished product. I got Greg here today. He's my official taste tester. Greg, which one do you want to try? We got the Stubbs original, which is here, and we got the S&S Peach Habanero.
Let's go with the Stubbs.
All right, go ahead and give it a try. Let us know what you think. I'll go ahead with the Peach Habanero. Got great flavor on the Peach Habanero. What do you think about the Stubbs, Greg?
Not bad. Nice, juicy.
As you can see, they're always a hit. Great appetizer for your friends or for a party.